Bonjour, Français 2. We're gonna do this. We got this. So, I'm gonna pretend I'm in front of you, but I'm not. I'm here at home with my dog. You can see that. And okay, so if you want to take out your homework, we're gonna start by correcting. And before that, you're gonna do the mise en marche, page 17, activité 5,7. And then for the next class, for next week, we're not going to do any new grammar for homework, but you're going to practice the passé composé with the verbe réfléchi, page 24. Let me turn to the page now so I can get there. So it looks like this, and it has a really nice summary of what we've done. And then on the bottom, just to check for understanding, and please use the last part for 2 or 3 sentences. It'll be good. Maybe you can even use them for your project. Okay, and also be working on your project. We're going to put the due date out there for when you need to submit your video, because I'm making videos now too. All right, so mise en marche. You might want to pause the video now while you do the mise en marche, page 17. Pause. Okay, I'm going to move on. Hopefully. Am I going to move on? There we go. Okay, I moved on. All right, so as you go through these, I just want you to repeat them after me to practice your accent a little bit. Jérôme, tu t'es occupé de ton frère hier soir? Je me suis endormie tout de suite. Ou tout de suite, if you say it a little slower. Vous vous êtes réveillé très tôt. Myriam s'est brossé les cheveux. And remember, cheveux, when you say it fast, the V sounds like an F. It's called regressive sonority, but whatever. Okay. Nous sommes habillés rapidement. Julie et Iris se sont maquillés. And you notice that you've got the agreement here. Okay. And when there's a body part, no agreement. So, partie du corps, pas d'accord. What is it? Partie du corps, pas d'accord. OK, ensuite. Je vais juste laisser les devoirs comme ça. I'm just going to leave the homework like this. You can go through it. What I would do is read through it. So I'm going to read through it with you. But I understand if you don't read through it because I can't control what you do. But we can still practice together. Okay, here we go. Le soir, je me déshabille et ensuite, je me couche. In fact, these are great phrases you could even use to integrate into your project. So this is really good. Oh, I just touched my face. All right. This is really good practice. D'habitude, on se couche de bonne heure vers 1 heure du matin. Quoi? Okay, that's like what? Nous nous endormons avant de souhaiter une bonne nuit à nos parents. Une fois que Corinne est rentrée à la maison, elle s'occupe de son petit frère. Mes sœurs se mettent au lit et après ça, elles mettent leur chemise de nuit. So anytime you need to pause, just pause me because I want to get your timing the way that works for you. All right, on y va. Commençons. J'ai mangé beaucoup de gâteaux. Tu devrais te brosser les dents. Il est 10h30 du soir. Alors, c'est l'heure d'aller te coucher. Mais pas pour vous. Vous êtes minuit ou 1 heure, 2 heures du matin. À quelle heure est-ce que vous vous couchez la nuit? Oh là là. OK, numéro 3. Nous sommes en retard pour aller au lycée. Dépêchez-vous! OK, donc ça c'est l'impératif. That's the imperative. That's a command telling you to do something. Il est 5 heures de l'après-midi. Il est temps de rentrer à la maison. So rentrer is when you say to come back home. Usually you wouldn't say retourner. You'd say rentrer. OK, numéro 5. J'ai une interro de maths demain matin. Va faire tes devoirs! OK, bon, ça va? OK. Donc, in this, you can see all the different ways that we're going to be using reflexive verbs. For example, you can see in the answer of A, you can see the infinitive plus sorry, the conjugated verb plus the infinitive. Okay, here in C, you can see the command form va, and also in C, the command form dépêchez-vous, and in D, you can see the conjugated verb plus infinitive. And we're going to be practicing that in the homework and officially learning it, just the Gramavision for this form. Ok, on y va. Ok, vous allez répéter, vous allez corriger avec une couleur différente. D'accord, n'effacez pas vos fautes. Do not erase your faults. They are your best teachers. Way better than this video version of me. Ok, on y va, lisons ensemble. Well, this is actually almost like your whole project right here. Hier soir, mon frère et moi, nous nous sommes dépêchés de rentrer du lycée à 5 heures. Attends, let's get Buttercup to repeat with us. Repeat with us? Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. Much more fun. Je me suis lavé les mains et j'ai mangé une tartine au chocolat. Après ça, mon frère s'est occupé de notre petite sœur et moi, j'ai fait mes devoirs avec Buttercup. Mes parents sont rentrés. Ma grand-mère a regardé un peu la télé et après, elle s'est levée, féminin, pour aider mon père à faire la cuisine. Nous avons mangé et après, mon frère s'est brossé les dents. Moi, je me suis peignée et mes parents, eux, them, right, Buttercup? Ils se sont douchés. Ma mère et moi, nous nous sommes déshabillés dans nos chambres. Puis, on a tous regardé un film en DVD, mais mon frère s'est endormi pendant le film. Oh. Finalement, toute la famille s'est couchée vers 11 heures. So you see where it says, puis on a tous regardé un film. Right here, this means we all as a noun. Okay, so it's a little bit different usage. All right. Au revoir. Okay, she's tired. Elle est fatiguée. Oh, oui. Okay, so this one was basically, you've got these in your, in the expressions, but I haven't officially taught this to you. So if you got a lot of these wrong, don't worry about it. Just know that you have the conjugated verb here. You follow it by the infinitive. And remember, the infant is like the baby, okay? And you put the pronoun, the professional, right in front of it. Okay, so you're going to see that same thing in all of these sentences. This one is in futur simple, futur proche. You have vais, me lever. You have veulent se mettre. Nous allons tous, this means all of us, nous endormir. Vous devez vous laver. And Dominique, tu ne vas pas te coucher tard. Pay attention to this last one. This is a great example of how to make it negative because it gets so tricky with all those little words in it. Ah! Okay, let's keep going. Pause if you need a pause. Okay, this one, again, I'm going to formally teach this one to you today. Just the Gramavision to get it in your brain, plant a little seed. Je vais planter une graine. Okay, so let's just repeat these just to practice a little bit more. Ses cousins ont les dents sales. Okay, it's not that your teeth are on sale. They are dirty. Sale. Okay, so when you see the word sale, now you can think it means dirty, which is kind of funny. Okay, répétez. Brossez-vous les dents. Bien. Okay, sa cousine veut se coucher dans la chambre de ses parents. Ne te couche pas dans la chambre de tes parents. Okay, so you'll notice here when it's negative, it's a totally different form. And we're going to learn that today. You're always going to start with ne. And basically, it's the same as if it's a regular sentence in the negative, but you take away just the subject. So it would say, tu ne te couches, and the S too. Pas, okay? So we're going to learn that today. Répétez. Il est minuit. Bien. et Jean-Louis et ses cousins doivent aller au lit. Répétez. Couchons-nous! There should be a space right there, but that's the book. They don't do it. I don't know why. It drives me crazy. OK, on y va. Numéro 4. Répétez. Sa cousine, bien, ne doit pas se laver les mains dans la cuisine. OK, I don't understand why, but bon, d'accord. OK, so here we go. Negative. Répétez. Ne te lave pas les mains dans la cuisine. And you notice again, you have to drop the S. You drop the subject that starts with S and you drop the S here. Okay, so there's a lot of S's happening or not happening. Jean-Louis et ses cousins sont encore habillés. Ils doivent mettre leur pyjama. Okay, this is kind of funny. You're like, let's get undressed. Déshabillons-nous! Okay, they yell. Okay, it's kind of funny. Okay, répétez. Ses cousins doivent s'occuper du chat avant d'aller se coucher. So we're going to yell at them to take care of the cat. Occupez-vous du chat avant d'aller vous coucher. Bien. Okay, prochaine. Page 23. So here you have some images and we're just going to repeat them. And I want you to really what we're going to work on today is reviewing this past tense. Okay, making sure it agrees and when there's a body part that it doesn't agree. Partie du corps, pas d'accord. Okay, here we go. Théo s'est occupé de ses petites sœurs. Théo s'est lavé la figure. Looks like he's actually shaving, but that's okay. Or brushing his teeth. If you put he's brushing his teeth, it's fine. The important thing is to have this part matching the subject. Léa s'est mise en chemise de nuit. So you notice here that mise actually does sound different instead of me. Okay. Léa et Elsa se sont couchées. E-E-S, very important. Elsa s'est vite endormie. Elsa fell asleep quickly. If you don't have that quickly in there, don't worry about it. I don't think you would. Théo s'est déshabillé dans sa chambre. Okay, so wow, where's his face? Okay, so, or you could say Théo s'est habillé dans sa chambre. Okay? Okay, ensuite. Now, we're going to do a little bit of practice, classwork. This, I would have you turn to page 10 dans votre paquet. And you're basically just going to rewrite the sentences that are in English in French. And I can't tell if you're just going to copy, but I'd like to hope that you're going to pause it, give it a try, and then take notes on what you got wrong with another color. But it's your choice how you want to do it. There's a dot in front of my head. It's kind of like my third eye right there. Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Connor got dressed. Yila woke up. Alyssa and me washed our hands and our faces. Ooh, we will not get coronavirus. Simon and Jimmy took a walk. Mila and Yukari brushed their hair. Indu put on pajamas first, then she fell asleep. Alex combed his hair. Josue and Lauren had fun at the party. All right, let's see how it goes. We have il s'est habillé. Elle s'est réveillée. So I want you to pause it before you reveal the answer. Before I reveal the answer. Okay? Simon and Jimmy took a walk. We're going to replace Simon and Jimmy by il, pluriel. Oh, pardon. I forgot this one. Nous nous sommes lavés. You notice there's no agreement because we have une partie du corps. We have deux parties du corps. Oh là là. For sure, no agreement. Okay? Ils se sont promenés. You have il with an S. You have the se and plural and pluriel. Okay? The next one, you have cheveux. You do not make it agree. Ensuite, you have elle a mis son pyjama. There's no E here because there's no direct object before it. Elle a mis son pyjama en premier. Puis elle s'est endormie avec un E. Alex combed his hair. Il s'est peigné les cheveux.